Serena has an intense fear of spiders, arachnophobia. So she has decided to seek the help of a therapist who recommends a type of behavior therapy called systematic desensitization. This therapy is based on classical conditioning, Pavlov, and it basically is unlearning of the fear response in a step-by-step process. The first step involves creating an anxiety hierarchy, listing situations from least to most stressful. Next, Serena must learn to relax, practicing progressive muscle relaxation. She starts by tensing her toes hard for 5 seconds and then relaxing, all while thinking relaxing thoughts. She then does the same for the muscle of her calves and works up the muscle groups of her body until she is tensing and relaxing the muscles in her forehead. The next major step in the process is to pair that relaxation with exposure to the situations in her anxiety hierarchy. The therapist starts with the least stressful items and works her way up to the most stressful. First, she imagines a toy spider while using her relaxation training. She repeats this until there is little or no anxiety. She is then ready for the next item, visualizing a spider on a web. Spider on the ceiling. Holding a spider. This may reduce the fear for many, but some feel the need to go on to in vivo behavior therapy, which involves real-life situations. Some phobias, for example of elevators, may necessitate this type of extension. She observes a spider in an aquarium while continuing to pair this with her relaxation training. Next, the aquarium is removed. Finally, she places the spider in her hand. The entire systematic desensitization process may only take 5 to 30 sessions to completely eliminate Serena's fear of spiders. Here are some questions for the comments section below. Also visit my website, intopsych.com, for more resources. And be sure to subscribe to this channel.